Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the course on Systematic Approach to Data Structures using C. In this video, let me concentrate on how to construct a tree given its post-order and inorder traversal. In the previous topic, we have seen given pre-order and inorder traversal, how to construct a tree. Now, given the post-order and inorder, how to construct a tree. What post order says: recursively traverse left subtree, recursively traverse right subtree, and finally visit the node. What in order says: recursively traverse the left subtree, then visit the node, then recursively traverse the right subtree in order. Let me assume this is the post order traversal and this is the in order traversal. In the pre order, first becomes the root node. But here in the post order, where is the root node? The last one is the root node. So n represents the root node. So here A becomes the root node. If A is the root node, what comes towards left of A, what comes towards right of A, that is decided by the in order. Now tell me, where is A in the in order? A is here. That means towards right of A, nothing comes, but towards left of A, all these nodes becomes the left subtree. So what is the corresponding post order traversal? This is the corresponding post order traversal. Now in this left subtree, which should be the root node? Root node always comes at the end in the post order. So B should become the root node of the left subtree. To see what is there towards left of B, what is there towards right of B, look at the in order traversal where B is present. These nodes come towards left subtree of B. What is the corresponding post order? LKFE. And to the right hand side, GC will come towards right hand side. What is the corresponding post order? GMJI and so on. Now what should be the root here? Look at the post order traversal. What is the last one here? E will be the root node. To see what is left of E and right of E, look at the in order traversal where E is present. KL should be the left subtree. What is the corresponding post order? LK. And what about F? F should be the right child of E. Now what should be the root here? Look at the last node. K should be the root node. To see what is left hand side and what is right hand side, look at the in order traversal where K is present. Nothing is there towards left of K, so this must be empty, and L should be the right child of K. Now coming here, which should be the root node? C is the root node. And to see what is left of C, what is right of C, look where C is present in the in order. Towards left of C, what will get? G. Towards right of C, MHIJD. This is the corresponding post order. What should be the root in the right subtree? Last node. What is the last node in the post order? D. D is the root node. To see what is left and what is right, look at the in order traversal where D is present. MHIJ should be the left subtree. What is the corresponding post order? MJIH. So nothing comes towards right of D. To see what is the root node of this left subtree, select H. H will be the root node. To see what is left of H, right of H, look at H in the in order traversal. Towards left of H, what do you have? M. So M will be the left child of H. I and J should be the right child. So what is the corresponding post order? J and I. To see what is the root node here, look at the last node in the post order. What is that? I. I is the root node here. To see what comes towards left of I to the right of I, look at I in the in order traversal. Nothing is there towards left of I, so this will be empty, and J should come towards right of I, so J will be the right child. Now everything is over. Remove the null branches. Now this is the corresponding binary tree for the given post order and in order. Now let us see what is the pre-order traversal for a given post-order and in-order traversal. So let me start from the pre-order. Visit the node for the first time. Whenever we visit a node for the first time, write in pre-order. So A, write here. First time B, first time E, first time K, first time L. Next, first time F. Next, first time C, first time G, first time D. Next, H. Next, M. Next, I. Next, J. That's all. This is the pre-order traversal for this post-order and in-order traversal. Now we have completed how to construct a tree and how to get a pre-order given its post-order and in-order traversal. And one more thing you observe, given pre-order and post-order, it is not possible to construct the binary tree. In-order must be there. Either pre-order should be given or post-order should be given, but in-order must be there. If in-order is not there, just if they give pre-order traversal and post-order traversal, it is not possible to construct the binary tree. Thank you very much.